Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. First of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom in order to find additional settings. Then scroll down again and find Backup and Reset option, and as you can see right here we've got whole Google Backup section. So basically all we have to do in order to basically start the backup, we have to tap on Backup Accounts in order to add our account. Make sure of course that we've got the internet connection because it is required, and then here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, and just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address because as you can see after tapping on next your device will simply autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and as you can see here we've got a whole section which will provide us with information about the backup. So you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. Your device will backup the data automatically whenever you will be connected with the Wi-Fi, will store it securely of course, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on, and as you can see right here we've got our Google account, which simply means that the backup will start in a second. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable the Google Backup in your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.